Have you ever wondered what your makeup products look like up close? Well, prepare to be amazed. Because what happens when you place makeup under a microscope is truly beyond imagination. Let's dive into the fascinating world of microscopic makeup. First up, let's examine lipstick. Under the microscope, lipstick reveals itself to be a complex blend of waxes, oils, pigments, and emollients. You'll see the pigments, which give lipstick its color, appearing as tiny, irregular particles. The waxes and oils form a matrix that holds everything together, creating the smooth texture we're familiar with. Some lipsticks even contain shimmering particles, which become dazzlingly apparent under magnification. Next, let's zoom in on foundation. Foundation, whether liquid, cream, or powder, is designed to even out skin tone. Under the microscope, you'll see how foundation achieves this. You'll notice tiny pigment particles suspended in a liquid or solid base. These particles are designed to reflect light, giving your skin a smoother, more even appearance. The microscope also reveals the presence of other ingredients, like preservatives and sunscreens, which are included to protect your skin. Now, let's take a look at eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, like lipstick and foundation, is composed of pigments, binders, and other additives. Under the microscope, you'll see the pigment particles, which give eyeshadow its color, arranged in various patterns. You might also notice glitter particles, which add sparkle and shimmer. The microscope also allows you to see the texture of the eyeshadow, whether it's smooth and velvety or more textured. Finally, let's examine mascara. Mascara, designed to darken, lengthen, and thicken eyelashes, reveals a fascinating microscopic structure. You'll see tiny fibers and pigment particles that coat the lashes, giving them a fuller appearance. The microscope also highlights the presence of preservatives and other additives, which are essential for the product's longevity and safety. So, what have we learned? Makeup products are complex, mixtures of ingredients that create a wide range of visual effects. Under the microscope, these products reveal their intricate structures and the science behind their performance. It's a fascinating journey into the microscopic world of beauty, and it's a testament to the power of science and innovation. The next time you apply makeup, remember the amazing microscopic world that's working to enhance your look. It's a whole new perspective on beauty, isn't it?